Hello, everybody. This is Evan with Scott Leroy Marketing. And today we're going to be going over how you can create a Facebook or Instagram traffic ad to attract buyers and sellers using a single image or video. So today we're going to start by going to our command account by entering the URL agent.kw.com and logging in with your KW username and password. Now here on our homepage, we're going to decide first if we're going to want to do this for a team account, or if you're not on a team, we're just going to do it from the personal account. So if you're going to do it from a team account, make sure you go ahead and click on the drop down under your name and select the team account. From here, every step is going to be exactly the same as if you were doing it just from a personal account. So again, if you're not in a team account, just doing personal, you're going to come right over here to your campaigns. And then we're going to go ahead and click on Paid Ad Quick Start. So this is the new platform that KW has provided for campaigns, mostly paid ads. We're going to today be focusing on these two right here: attract sellers using a single image or video, or attract buyers, single image or video. So we're going to go ahead and click attract sellers. Now in this Facebook page dropdown, you need to use a page that is not already connected. If you need to use a page that's not already connected, you're going to go ahead and click link new page. Keep in mind, if you have not used this new platform, you will most likely have to reconnect your Facebook business page account here. If it is already here showing, then you're good to go. Now in the targeting section, we're going to select the location that you want to target with the ad and the targeting radius. There's also an option to target your database, which allows you to include leads or contacts that are already in your database in the ad targeting. So here, the custom location, this is a required field. You can enter either one or more locations to target, which could be a specific address, location such as like a park or a landmark, a neighborhood, postal code, city, or you can even do an entire state. Each location you add will have a separate target radius applied to it using the size of the radius that you select here. And keep in mind, you can target multiple large areas, but the larger the area you target, the more your ad budget is spread over that larger area. That means you'll be spending much less per square mile than you would if you kept that targeting area more pinpointed. So today, I'm based out of Atlanta, so I'm going to go ahead and select Atlanta, Georgia, using the zip code, and we're just going to go ahead and keep it at 15 miles. Now, targeting my database, if we turn that on, any lead or contact in your database that has one of the tags that you select, which is when you click the drop down, any of these tags, if any of these tags that they have on their contact record will be potentially targeted with the ad. So this uses the primary email address from the contact record in command, and it matches it with the email address the contact has associated with their Facebook account. If there is no matching email address, then the target will not work. So we're not going to go ahead and select any of those today. If you would like to give that a go, you're more than welcome to. Just again, keep in mind that the contact has to have the same email address that you have on file as it's connected with their Facebook account. So media type, where you can go ahead and from here select image or video. So image, we're going to go select from media library, and any media assets, say the things that we've created in designs, are going to show up here. Or you can click add new media and upload, say a flyer that you created in Canva and you just downloaded it to your computer. You can go ahead and upload it there. So we're just going to, for today, we're going to go ahead and click on You're in Business with Matters and click confirm. If you wanted to do video, you're going to do the same thing, select the video and then select media from library. So any of your media assets are going to show here. And if you have a video on your computer you wanted to upload, you can upload it there. Now the text, we're going to go down the text. We need to personalize the body of the text, which is the 255 character limit, and the headline has 125 character limit here. You can also select these little emoji icons, and it's going to put a little emoji in there for you if you'd like to as well. We're just going to go ahead and do test. And test. Go ahead and load. Add a little emojis just to make it fun. Now, in the destination URL, as either you can select where you want to send people who click on your ad. Like this is the traffic ad, which means it is not utilizing the Facebook lead form to capture leads, but is relying on the destination website or landing page you enter here to capture leads. So if you enter URL, you can enter any web address here, including your KW agent site, a listing details page from your website, or any third-party page you want to link. If you chose landing page, use the drop down to select a landing page that you have created within Command. So these are going to be things found on landing pages from like your website. So like open house sign-in sheet, we're going to go and select that. In the compliance section, you're going to choose whether you want to include a DBA logo and or an ownership statement. So if you see how it has default DBA logo override, or if we do custom, you can select from media library. So if you have default, include my ownership statement, you can include it or not. All right. And then we're going to go ahead and click on proceed to last step. Oh, I forgot to switch back to the image. Sorry. Okay. So we're going to select from here the duration that we want this to that we want it to run. So you choose your start end date. And then in the budget section, how much you want to spend on this ad campaign. So the budget is based on the USD currency. You can either type the total amount or you can use the budget slider to set the total budget. And you want to keep an eye on the daily spend, which will change based on the duration of the ad campaign. So you also want to keep in mind that targeting that you selected. If you target a large area or multiple locations, your daily spend will spread over that larger area. So that means you will be spending much less per square mile than you would if you kept the target area more pinpoint. The billing, this is where you're going to enter your card information that it's going to charge for your marketing. And then once you have completed, you're just going to go ahead and click purchase now. We are not actually going to be setting this up on our end today, but if you have any questions or any problems, feel free to give us an email at support@scottleroymarketing.com. We'd be more than happy to assist you. Hope you guys have a wonderful day.